Hello, this is Robin from CowboyStudio. Today we're going to take a look at our WT001H and WT002H tripod heads. These tripod heads are essentially the same. The only difference is the capacity of the two. The WT001H can handle up to 6.6 pounds, while the 002H can handle up to 11 pounds. So let's take a look at these. I'll focus on the WT002H right now, and we'll look at the details. Now these tripod heads come with a 3/8 inch connection in the base, so they'll connect to basically any standard tripod with a 3/8 inch connector on the top. To move the tripod or the ball head, you simply turn this locking mechanism here. That releases both the panning and the ball, so you can rotate in any direction. The release plate on these heads is taken off by opening this lever right here. The lever will lock into position once it's opened, and to replace the release plate, we simply place it in the back here and push down. That'll let the lever lock back into place. Now, in addition, there is an additional lock on the release plate lever. By moving this lock into this position, the lever locks. This keeps you from accidentally catching the lever and releasing the camera. The heads also have a bubble level on them. This bubble level is useful when you're in landscape mode. In portrait mode, it is not useful. So now, you simply attach the release plate to the bottom of your camera using the normal tripod mount on the bottom. You tighten that in position. You'll want to put it straight. I personally like having the bubble level to the back so I can see it to adjust the camera. Place the back in first, snap down, and the camera is locked in place. The ball head gives you free range of motion. You can pan, you can move into landscape or portrait mode, you can point the camera straight down, you can also point the camera straight up. In landscape mode, you have a full 360 degrees of motion, and this one simple lever locks the whole thing in place. Well, that's it for today. I hope you like this WT001H and 002H tripod heads. Thank you. CowboyStudio.